Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Aspiring affiliate marketers, if you're looking to create a professional website to promote affiliate products and earn commissions, you are in the right place. In today's video, we will walk you through the process of creating a Wix website specifically designed for your affiliate marketing in 2023. With Wix' powerful feature and user-friendly interface, you'll have stunning websites up and running in no time. So let's dive in. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. So first, let's start by opening whatever browser we're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. For me, I'm just going to use the Brave browser, but of course you can open whatever preferred browser you have or you want to, and you'll have to head over to wix.com. Simply go to this URL section, simply type wix.com and hit the enter button. That will take you directly to the home screen or main screen of Wix browser. Website. If you have an account, make sure to log in into it. If you don't, you can simply click on get started and follow the prompts to create your account, and it's going to be pretty simple. And of course, if you already have a dashboard or an account, just log in into it to your Wix dashboard. So simply once you are on your dashboard, you'll not find yourself on this My Sites option. So as you can see, I have here this create a new site. But for you, of course, you can simply click on your icon at the top right corner and click on create a new site. That will take you to the same option where if I click here on create a new site. Of course, here as you can see, what kind of websites are you creating? So we will have to customize or tell them what that we would like to get affiliate marketing website. So let's just type here affiliate marketing. As you can see, they already give us what we want. So marketing, let's just type it out completely. As you can see, we would like or we can have affiliate marketing portfolio, marketing launch page, marketing club, group, blog, convention, websites coming soon. So whatever suits you, of course, here, simply just click on it and it will be right in here. So as an example, I'm just going to choose affiliate marketing portfolio. And here I'll have to simply click on next. So simply what kind of browser are you creating? Type here whatever you want and click on next. Once we click on next, we'll have to choose a name. As you can see, what you would like to call your website, and you can change it anytime. So as an example, I'm just going to write here a test. Of course, I already have a website named test, so let's just do a test 01 and click on next. So just name it whatever you want if you are not sure about it right now, because you can change it anytime. Once you click on next, that will take you right away to this option. And here, what do you want to add to your website? Of course, the portfolio, it's going to be the main thing, and you can add other things as an example to your marketing to affiliates marketing website. You can add online store, forms, groups, blog, events, booking, chats, pricing plans, Instagram feeds, and a lot of other stuffs. So whatever you would like to add, simply click on it. As an example, let's say we would like to add this forms. Simply click on it and it will be checked. Of course, you can simply click on any other stuff if you want and click on next. Of course, you can even skip this option or this step if you don't want to do it right now. Here, you will have to start designing your site. You can begin with a template, customize a designer-made template, or get a custom-built site. So choose whatever suits you. If you choose the second option, that will let Wix create a site for you in minutes. So I'm just going to choose this because it's less painful or it's pretty simple a bit. So here, that will take us to this option. Here, we'll simply have to add the logo, name, email, address, phone, and social accounts. So simply let me just add a logo from my PC as an example. Let's just add this. And the name, I can change this from here if I want to. The email, as an example, this is going to be my email. And here, let's just add an address as an example. And let's just even add a phone number. And as you can see here, I can even be able to add social accounts. So simply just add an Instagram account as an example. So type www.instagram.com/ and here let's just type out the name of our account after that slash. So let's say an example, the name of my account is test. Simply write test. And here we are. There's going to be the Instagram account. If someone click on it, they will take them directly to this test account, which is normally going to be my account. So of course, if I want to add any other links, I can simply click on add social, add the link. And as an example, we would like to add Facebook. It will be right away here. as you can see. So you can add whatever you want. And now I can hit next. Of course, I can even skip this step if I don't want to do it. And as you can see here, I'll have to pick a theme. So simply pick whatever theme you would like to. Let's say, for example, the theme is going to be the Syrian all play. So let's just choose Syrian as example and click on next. And here I'll have to prepare my homepage. Of course, they are preparing my homepage and they will give me three options to choose from. Let's say as an example, as you can see, I check everything and that's the home screen I want. So simply select it and click on next and they will take you right away to the editor Wix website. So once you choose, of course, a suitable template for you and a home screen, you will have here to add pages to your site. You can add the contact page, the service page, the about me page, the coast page. As you can see, those are provided by Wix. So simply, whatever you would like to add, select it and click on edit site. That means it's added. And of course, if you want to add anything, make sure to select this for me. I just want to add this about me in contacts because it's pretty important. So click on edit site. And as you can see, that's going to be my website. So now once you select the templates and do all of this, it's time to customize your website. You can use this tool, as you can see on this left panel, Wix editor on Wix editor, of course, to modify the layout, font, colors, and other design elements. And you can add even your own branding, such as your logo and tagline, to create a unique identity, to ensure that your website is visually appealing and easy to navigate and optimize for conversions. As an example here, let's say as an example, we can add whatever element we want from here. So make sure to check whatever you want and add this. You can even add sections, page and menu, and edit design, or do whatever you want. And of course, you can even create an engaging content. So content is the key when it comes to affiliate marketing. So create a valuable, informative, and engaging content that resonates with your target audience. Write a blog, post, product review, tutorial, or any other content that showcase the benefits and features of your affiliate or of the affiliates products you're promoting. And don't forget to include compiling calls to actions to encourage visitors to click on your affiliate link. And of course, you'll simply have to add your affiliate links and banners. So it's time to monetize your websites. So join affiliates program relates to your niche and obtain your unique affiliate link and insert this link strategically within your content, ensuring they blend naturally. And you can also add affiliates banners to prominent positions to attract attentions and drive clicks. And you can even optimize your SEO for search engines and optimize it for mobile users as well, your website, because a lot of people optimize their websites for desktop users and completely forgot about the mobile users. A lot of people use just the mobile to check for websites like those, so make sure to optimize it for them as well. Once you reach this place, congratulations, you successfully learned how to create a Wix website for affiliate marketing in 2023. Of course, let me remind you by steps because by signing up on your Wix website, choosing a suitable template, customize your website, creating engaging content, adding affiliate links and banners, and optimizing for SEO and mobile, you are well on your way to building a successfully affiliate marketing website. Remember to regularly update your content, monitor your affiliate performance, and test different strategies to maximize your earnings. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks, and even tutorials. So happy affiliates marketing and I will see you in the next one.